So the other day I came out here working on some kydex, and I decided, you know, my shop table is very cluttered, as you can see. As you get down into the tools, it's too much sometimes. And so I thought, you know, I'll just stick the belt sander in the floor because that's where I was storing it anyway. And so it's been fine. I've been using it. As you can see, it's got plenty of kydex dust on it. And it served its purpose. I've sanded down tooth sheaths now, and it's worked great for me. And then I got out here and I noticed there's dust everywhere from the metal work and the welding and the woodworking and now the plastic work that I'm doing. And so I thought, man, I should really fire up this compressor and blow off some of this stuff. And then I realized that's not going to work. So pay attention to what you're doing. Don't be dumb like me and ruin a perfectly good air hose, because now I have to replace my air hose and I can't clean up this area because there's no way for me to blow it off now. So I hope you learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my mistakes. Thanks for watching.